So before using applied education, my experience was outdated.
We had a lot of issues. We had problems with our occasional teachers. They weren't getting calls, they missed a call, they wouldn't get another call, they would miss that job. So after using applied education, our experience was very user-friendly.
We've also been able to greatly reduce our environmental impact. Timesheets are now integrated directly to our payroll department, so there's both the cost savings and environmental impact.
The staff loved it. Our occasional staff especially, they could get text messages, they could get jobs after the fact. When they were away from their phone for 10 minutes, they could come back. The jobs were in the archives, and they also have the job board that they could get to. It was just so much better for everyone. Our old system could not do any of those things.
In addition, there's the time savings as well. So having to manually do a lot of the processes, get the paperwork, deal with replacements, make the call, set up the records, it's now all automated in itself. That efficiency has been amazing.
I can't say enough about their team. Their team really cares. They're very passionate.
You know, they're always there when I need them, and I can contact them for any needs, any questions. As well, sometimes there's issues that occur after hours, and there is a process that I can still get a hold of them when that occurs.
I absolutely would recommend EasyConnect. It's by far the best program out there, and I really don't understand why some school boards are not using it yet.